All right, welcome back, COSA 1 folks. Professor Almeida here, and this is it. This is the home stretch. So let's talk about our final week together, week 8, which you already have available to you, by the way. And so let's go into Canvas here. So here we go. Take a look at the final week overview page. And before I talk about your final exam and capstones, I want to first discuss the certificate application form. Regardless of where you stand in the class, you should fill out this form. And if you go on to earn a 70% or better, that is a C or better, after the course is over, you will earn a certificate of accomplishment from the college in business digital literacy. So there'll be something to put on your resume. But again, if you pass with a C or better, regardless of where you stand right now, you should fill out this form. You want to make sure that you are using Adobe Acrobat Reader and you don't want to open it in a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once you have filled out the form, you will upload it to this page. Be sure to watch this video on how to complete the form. One important thing I want to mention here is that there's no score for this assignment. Okay, it's going to be out of 0, and if you see a grade of 0 out of 0, it means that I received your application. Okay, so that's it for the certificate. Now onward to the final exam. As you can see here, the final exam is broken up into an objective exam and 3 capstone projects. The objective exam is a lot like the quizzes you have been taking all along in the class. There are 30 questions and you do get 2 attempts. Keep in mind, however, once you start the exam, you have to complete that session. You can't just stop and take a break. Otherwise, you will lose your attempt. Okay, so once you start, make sure that you can finish the exam in that session. And again, there's 2 attempts, there's 30 questions. Good luck on your final. And then finally, we have our 3 capstones. Take a look at this README page before you begin. And as you can see here, the capstone projects are larger in scope than the individual skill review projects you have been doing over the last several weeks in the course. The 3 capstone projects are part of your final exam along with the objective exam. You only have 1 attempt at each capstone. Okay, you heard that right. You only get 1 attempt instead of 3 this time. So it's very important that you carefully check through your tasks before you submit. Also, make sure that you save and close out of Office. Okay, whether you're using Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, make sure you completely close out of the program before you submit your capstone for a grade. Also, I'm not going to answer any questions about the capstone. Otherwise, wouldn't be a final exam. But you can use your notes, which I hope you've been taking notes all along, reading material, past project instructions, and the web to help you. And then finally, your scores on the capstones are final and they will not be reset for any reason. So again, make sure that you save your project and completely close out of Word, Excel, or PowerPoint before you submit. The capstones are worth 100 points as a whole. And if you go back into the syllabus, you will see the score breakdown and how it's going to affect your final grade. So that is pretty much it, folks. Good luck on your final and capstones, and good luck with the rest of the course. I wish you all well on your future endeavors. And by the way, I still have an open COSA 1 section. It meets face-to-face on Mondays and Wednesdays at 8 a.m. Check the announcement for details, and I hope to see you around in the future. Take care of yourselves out there, and thanks for watching.